Ayan, papunta na kami sa may next customer. Ito ang aking driver for the whole week. Grabe, may nagkaano doon na. Grass vacuum cleaner. Okay, go. Saan ka umpisa?
Wala na yung ano? Pang gano'n?
So guys, andito na kami at andito na si Ate Feb nagpapagpag.
Aray, aray.
So guys, ito naman is nagpapagpag kami ng mga carpet. Yan. So ito yung gamit namin pang pagpag. Tapos gaganyan na lang siya. Okay, one down.
Dito ba?
Yes. Going right. Dito na yung spot namin for lunch.
Doon tayo mag-park.
Yes. Oh, maagas yung ano ngayon. Yung ilog. Wow.
Picnic tayo.
Okay. Yung ilog nila, ano, chocolate. Ay, hindi pala chocolate, coffee. Let's go. Okay, mag-start pose muna kami sa work. Guys, tignan nyo, may mga lata pa dito, kaya it's money. Meron pa dito. Kunin natin, sayang. Ito, ay! Te, lata! Wow! Paano te? Yung lakay. Kunin ko yung daon ko. Ayan, dito pala sa bag. Ang sarap lumambay dito.
I see you in the silence of my mind, where the world slows down and the stars align. You smile like it's only meant for me, even if it's just my fantasy. I paint you in my dreams, where we're dancing in between all the places we never got to see. But you feel so real to me. I hold you when I sleep, in a world where we both believe maybe love's not what it seems, but I still paint you in my dreams.